Welcome to the world of SEO, where the key to success lies in unlocking one thing: the AISEO Insider Secret. This isn't just about understanding algorithms and keywords. It's about understanding your audience, their culture, language, and behavior. Especially in unique landscapes like Japan, these secrets can unlock a wealth of organic traffic. But how do you tap into this potential? How do you navigate the complexities of SEO in a market that's as unique as Japan? The answer lies in the AISEO Insider Secret. With the AISEO Insider Secret, we help you decode the complexities of SEO and tailor your strategy to the Japanese or any global market in their local language, and drive organic traffic to your site. This isn't just about high rankings. It's about sustainable, organic growth. So, are you ready to unlock the true potential of SEO in Japan or other global locations with the AISEO Insider Secret? Join us on this journey today.